Welcome back to the Reload Bench. Let's see what came in this box today from Henry Repeating Arms. It's the Henry Survival Rifle. What else? Well, look at this. Let's get the box out of here. It's a Henry Survival Kit. So let's start with the rifle, and then let's get to the kit. So here we go. Just a simple cardboard box, wrapped in plastic. So let's get it out of the plastic. Let's see what's going on here. So we have a tag, all the different stages of inspection, everybody's initials, and the date, which is 11/29/16. This has been sitting in a warehouse somewhere for a while. I've never actually handled one of these, so I should read the instructions, but why not just go ahead and go with what I know. So there's the barrel. There's the mag. There's a receiver with another mag in it. And this must lock it in place. That's rattling around. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and assemble it. I'll take the tag off here. Alright. This is one of those, your guess is as good as mine, but let's just use some common sense and a little bit of knowledge handling different firearms. And there's the magazine release. Fairly straightforward. Barrel. Well, let's have, if we have the sight up at the top, then it should be locked in place. Common sense, right? And I don't want to cross thread it. So it's a little rough at first, but it's threading on there just fine. So this is good. And I should follow the warning. I should have open this first. I'm not pulling the trigger. Alright, after reading the instructions, it says, grasp the charging handle knob with the thumb and index finger and pull straight out to the right. This will allow the shooter to hook the index finger around the handle in order to work the action. So, look at that. So now, I can verify the firearm is empty. Let's go ahead and attach it to the stock. So, as usual, the lighting here is not the best, but there's a threaded hole right there. And see if we get any sort of resistance here. Feel it threading in. Yeah, it's threading in. So it recesses down in there. This feels very light. Let's go ahead and insert a magazine. And let's put the cap on. Everything's new, so everything's kind of tight. And that's it. Can't get the whole thing in the shot. So you just rotate it out. And it's a bit uneven here. See how well it feels. It's a simple, probably can't see it too well, but it's a simple ring aperture, and then this plastic orange front sight makes it fairly easy to pick up a target. Let's go ahead and check the safety here. Gun won't fire. Throw it forward. I know, you're not supposed to dry fire, rim fire. Well, I did it anyhow. So safety works, and that's it. That's the gun. So there's a guy who's only read up on these and never actually handled one, put one together, and only read one part of the manual. I recommend, if you're not familiar with firearms, or if you just want to be sure, go ahead and read the manual, maybe watch some instructional videos. They're out there. People have done reviews on these, and there have been other manufacturers that have made renditions of this rifle, so there are some other versions out there. You may know somebody who's had a previous version of this and knows how to use it. But if you're mechanically inclined or you fix things for a living, it's fairly easy. So let's go ahead and move this off to the side and let's see what's in the kit.